in section A, first MCQ, a solution turns blue litmus red, its pH is likely to be. The correct answer will be 3A. Then the second MCQ, which of the following is the molecular formula of butane? The correct answer will be C, C for H10. Then third MCQ is, from how many chambers is the heart of a fish made? The correct answer will be 2, option B. Then fourth, the human eye forms the image of an object and it's blank. The correct answer will be D, retina. Then fifth, in fifth, there is, which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in a circuit? The correct answer will be D, IR square, which is not correct. And in sixth, there is a, no matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be. Option B is the correct answer, either plane or convex. Then fill in the blanks with a correct answer is given. Butanol is a 4-carbon compound with the functional group blank. The answer will be ketone. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to blank joule. The answer will be 3.6 cross 10⁶. Then the transport of a soluble products of a photosynthesis by a phloem is called blank. The answer will be translocation. Then in 10th, children inherit traits of their parents received through blank. The answer will be genes. Then 11th number FIB is, the radius of a curvature of a spherical mirror is 40 centimeter. Then its focal length is blank centimeter. The answer will be 20. Blank is an alloy of a Cu plus Zn. The answer will be brass. Then there is a true false. In 13 number question, iodine is a non-metal, but it is a lustrous. The answer is true. Then 14 number, the red light bands the most in a dispersion of a light by the prism. There will be false. Then 15 number, a child who inherits a Y chromosome from the father will be a boy. The answer is true. And the 16 number, the salts of a strong acid and weak base are acidic with a pH value more than 7. The answer is false. Then there is answer the following question as a directed in a one word or sentences. In 17 number question, what is the gap between neurons called? The answer is a synapses. Then the 18, what is the time difference between an actual sunset and the apparent sunset? The answer is 2 minutes. In 19, in Mendel's experiment of a pea plant, the traits that are expressed in the F2 generation are TT, 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 sort the dominant traits and recessive traits. The answer will be dominant traits is double capital T, TT, and the recessive traits is double T, small t. Then the 20, which instrument is used to measure the potential difference? The answer is voltmeter. Then there is a math following. In math following, in 21, the answer will be spinal cord reflex action, and 22 medulla, the answer will be salivation and vomiting. And in the 23, grass or deer, in grass, the answer will be producers, and the deer, the answer will be primary consumers.